Welcome back, guys. Today I have brought such an amazing phone which works on keypad. This is Nokia. The model number is 3310. It's an awesome phone and it also supports 4G, but that's a different version. I have got the 3G version. So let's check this out. When you will open this, it will look like this. Let's unlock this. This phone can support wait, let me focus, Opera Mini and Snake and a mobile store, games, music, even weather telecast, settings, videos, radio, notes, calendar, calculator, files, etc., alarm clock, voice recorder, counter, and SIM management. No, this is SIM management and this is smart SIM. This is an awesome phone and performs every function we can perform on Android except that Android apps. If you are searching for a phone which with keypad, buy this phone. This is awesome, and even you can check the camera. The camera quality is also good. Look, and it has a flash which makes it more cool. Let me click one photo. Not just view that. Look, the camera is also very good, and I think this is the best phone under 3000 which works with keypad. So, if you like our video, please subscribe, like, and comment.